Today I'm excited because I just received my Omaha Steaks Deluxe gift box, now available on Amazon. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. We'll look at the products, then we'll go ahead and cook them up, see how everything tastes. First thing I must note, it does come in this pretty sturdy styrofoam package. Now the Deluxe gift box comes with 5 different items. Sometimes Omaha Steaks does throw in some coupons in there for you. The first item, let's get straight to the steaks. Now I already went and untaped these boxes so we can go through it a little faster. Alright, first box we got our bacon wrapped fillets. So these are 5-ounce fillets wrapped in bacon. Comes with 4 steaks. Oh, there's this handy little cooking chart too if you want to get your perfect wellness and sear. This is the other box, I'll save that for last. So, you're going to get 3 proteins in the Deluxe gift box. After your bacon wrapped fillets, you're also going to get Omaha's steak burgers. Now recently I know that they did do a new formulation, so I'm excited to see how those turn out. They're a little different than the ones that they had before. And you're also going to get natural casing kielbasa. So you're going to get 4 kielbasa sausages. And then it's a deluxe gift box. So I set up as a gift. I think they're trying to go with a few different proteins, a side, and a dessert. So the last thing that comes with the deluxe gift box is these guys, which are caramel apple tartettes. They're like little puff pastries with caramel cinnamon apples in them. And these, which are like hash brown casserole kind of things. You throw them in the oven, they cook up pretty quickly, they make a good side dish. So, that's what comes in the box. Your side, your dessert, your kielbasa, your burgers, and your bacon wrapped fillets. So I'm going to go ahead and let these fillets thaw out. We're going to put them in the pan and we're going to see how they come out. After a few minutes, we're going to give them a little flip. Nope. It's a little hot. Okay, good. Let's cut into it, give it a little taste test, see how it came out. I have my steaks medium to medium rare. So we got there, it looks pretty tender. We got the bacon on the outside. It's juicy, you got a nice beef flavor. It's a pretty good steak.